Hey guys, have you heard the latest news? Scientists have found water on Mars. No way, really? I always knew I had something special about me. That's great news, but can we actually drink the water from Mars? Is it safe?
Good question. I mean, it's not like we can just take a straw and start sipping away.
Plus, who knows what kind of bacteria or alien substances might be lurking in that water? Yeah, I don't think I want to take any chances with my health. I'll stick to my trusty H2O for now.
Well, it's not like the water on Mars is going to jump out and attack you. But we do need to be careful.
Maybe we could send a robotic probe to Mars to collect some water and analyze it. That way we could determine if it's safe to drink. Hey, I'm all for having visitors. And if it means we get to share our water, all the better. But what if the water turns out to be contaminated or toxic? We don't want to risk contaminating our own planet.
I have an idea. We could send some astronauts to Mars to test the water and see if it's safe to drink. That way we can get a first-hand look at what we're dealing with.
That's a great idea. And we could send some extra cleaning supplies just in case the water isn't up to par. And who knows, maybe we'll find some cool new minerals or elements in the water that we can use for our own research.
Well, it looks like we have a plan, team. Let's get to work on making this happen.
All right, let's send some astronauts to Mars and see if we can drink the water. But if they start growing extra arms or glowing in the dark, it's not my fault. Hey, you never know what kind of surprises the Red Planet has in store. But I promise, the water is safe. Mostly. Mostly? I don't know if I like the sound of that. But let's do this, team! Let's explore the universe and find out what kind of weird and wacky things are out there. Hey guys, have you ever thought about who helps the most around here? Well, obviously the sun is the one who keeps us all in orbit. Without it, we wouldn't even exist.
Ah, thanks, Venus. You're too kind. But let's not forget about how important the planets are too. We all help each other out in different ways.
Yeah, and I'm pretty helpful too. I have a super strong magnetic field that protects me from the solar wind.
And I have a massive gravitational pull that helps keep all the other planets in line.
Don't forget about me. My rings create a magnetic field that helps protect the rest of the solar system from cosmic radiation. And I have a pretty unique tilt that helps regulate the climate on Earth. Plus, my gravitational pull helps keep Pluto and other dwarf planets in check. Hey guys, don't forget about me. Even though I'm not a planet anymore, I still have an important role to play.
You're right, Pluto. Every object in the solar system has a purpose, no matter how big or small.
And even though I'm the smallest planet, I help out too. I'm super close to the sun, so I'm able to help scientists learn more about the sun's atmosphere.
See, everyone plays an important role in the solar system. We're all in this together.
That's the spirit. Venus, we all have something to offer, and we all work together to create this amazing system.
So let's not argue about who helps the most. We all do our part, and that's what makes us so great.
And let's not forget to give a big thanks to the sun for keeping us all in orbit. We wouldn't be here without it.
Ah, shucks! You guys are making me blush. But it's my pleasure to help out. After all, we're all part of this amazing universe together. Hey planets, what's up?
Not much, just trying to stay cool. It's pretty hot out here near you, sun.
Haha, yeah, I know. I can get pretty intense sometimes. But that's just part of the adventure of the solar system, right?
Speaking of adventure, what are we doing today?
How about we explore the asteroid belt? I hear there are some pretty cool rocks out there.
Sounds like a plan. But how are we going to get there?
We can use my massive gravitational pull to slingshot around and gain enough momentum to make it out there.
And I can use my rings to help protect us from any debris we might encounter along the way. And I'll use my unique tilt to help us navigate through the asteroids. Plus, my strong winds can help blow us in the right direction. And I'll just be there for moral support.
Haha, Pluto, you always crack me up. But you're still an important part of our team.
All right, let's blast off and explore the asteroid belt. This is so exciting! I can't wait to see all the different types of rocks and space debris out there. And I can use my rovers to take some cool photos and gather data on the asteroids.
Whoa, we're really picking up speed now. Hang on tight, everyone.
Don't worry, my rings have got us covered. We'll make it through the asteroid belt in one piece. Wow, this is really exhilarating. I never knew exploring the solar system could be so much fun. And with all of us working together, we can accomplish anything we set our minds to. Yeah, we may be small, but we're still an important part of the solar system.
That's the spirit, team. Let's keep exploring and making amazing discoveries together. The adventure of the solar system never ends.
Hey guys, have you ever wondered what's up with Uranus?
What do you mean Saturn? Uranus seems pretty normal to me.
Yeah, it's just another gas giant planet like us, right? Actually, Uranus is kind of weird. It rotates on its side, unlike any other planet in the solar system. And its magnetic field is tilted at an angle of almost 60 degrees, which is also unique. I've also heard that Uranus has an icy core, which could potentially explain some of its strange properties. But what could have caused Uranus to be so different from the other gas giants?
Maybe it's just Uranus being Uranus, you know?
Well, I for one am curious to learn more about this mysterious planet. I think we should send a mission to study Uranus up close.
Count me in. I'm always up for a good space adventure.
Me too! Let's go explore the secrets of Uranus. Just make sure to bring some warm clothes. I heard it can get pretty chilly out there. And let's not forget to pack some snacks. I don't want to get hungry on the way. Sounds like a plan. Let's set a course for Uranus and uncover its secrets. Wait, are we really going to Uranus? I thought we were just joking around.
Hey, why not? It could be a fun and educational experience for all of us.
Hey guys, have you ever thought about becoming an astronaut? Sure have. I hear they have some pretty sweet gigs up in space.
Yeah, but I heard becoming an astronaut is really hard. That's true, it's not for the faint of heart. You need to be smart, physically fit, and have nerves of steel.
Plus, you need to have a strong background in science and engineering. And you need to be able to work well in a team. You can't just go off and do your own thing up there.
And don't forget about the rigorous training. You need to be able to handle all sorts of emergencies and unexpected situations.
Wow, that sounds like a lot of work. But I bet it's worth it to be able to explore space and see all the amazing things out there.
Absolutely. I mean, who wouldn't want to visit other planets and see what kind of life might be out there?
But how do we even start? How do we become astronauts?
Well, first you need to start with a solid education. You need to have a degree in a science, engineering, or math field. And you need to maintain a high level of physical fitness. You'll be in zero gravity for a long time, so you need to be able to handle that.
And you need to have a lot of experience in a related field, like piloting planes or working with advanced technology.
And once you meet all those requirements, you can start applying to become an astronaut. It's a tough process, but if you're really dedicated, you can make it happen.
Wow, that's a lot to take in. But I'm up for the challenge.
Me too! I'm already working on my strength and endurance, so I'm ready for whatever comes my way.
And I'm studying hard to get my degree in astrophysics. I'm determined to make it to space.
That's the spirit.
With hard work, determination, and a bit of luck, we can all become astronauts and explore the universe together.
And who knows what kind of amazing discoveries we'll make along the way.
That's right. The adventure of space exploration is waiting for us, and it's up to us to make it happen.
I couldn't have said it better myself. The sky's the limit, team. Let's go out there and become the best astronauts we can be.